Good afternoon from Barcelona. I'm Nick Harris alongside me, Matt Rhodes, Dylan Gray, seventh of the MotoGP World Championship.
All Spanish front row, Marquez, Lorenzo, and away to Lorenzo Valentino Rossi and Maverick Vinales.
Row 3, rejuvenated Cal Crutchlow, Andrea Iannone and Danilo Petrucci. Row 4, Andrea Dovizioso and Scott Redding. And now old start behind me, Lorenzo.
Big row headed by Aleix Espargaro, old man here 1 year ago. Smith and Pirro joined him on row 5. Hernandez, Laverty and Rado, that's your row 6.
Row 7, we have Jack Miller, Tito Rabat, and Alvaro Bautista. 21 riders.
Who was 7th? He
Could have been in that glorious Mediterranean afternoon here, the rain of Barcelona.
Odds look good for the Yamaha win if you believe in Tom's getting back to Kenton on the line all year. Keep an eye on him in 8th.
So here we go, round 7, the MotoGP World Champ. Now he's got to work very hard indeed. Lorenzo, Marquez, 3 Spanish riders. This is a tribute to one of MotoGP's favourite sons, Luis Salom. Runs up the back of the field. Somebody actually in the wrong position.
Barbara didn't get in the right grid slot.
So here we go, 25 laps of this Barcelona Catalonian circuit. Round 7 of the MotoGP World Championship. Good start again by Jorge Lorenzo. It'd have been better to wait, surely, because if Rossi's going to drag them along, he could have been in that train. Now he's got to work very hard indeed. Lorenzo gets away at the front. So Lorenzo does really quite gently behind that.
Has just had a huge moment, lost the front going through turn number 14. Brilliant super slow motion replay. Hearts in mouths for the Repsol Honda team all the time. What about that? Oh, you know he's told it done. You know he went to the back of Lorenzo. You only got it way too hot there at turn number 10. They are going to be Ducati.
Buatan konten yang behind the skin. Aku konten.
Jangan lupa subscribe YouTube ya. Subscribe, subscribe.